Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some awesome tips to help you complete your sticker album faster in Monopoly Go. So if you are looking to boost your collection and get those rare stickers, you are in the right place. So let's dive right in. So first things first, let's talk about the strategy. So to complete your sticker album effectively, you need a plan. So don't just play randomly. You need to focus on events and missions that reward you with stickers. So you need to just keep an eye out for special promotions and time limited events that offer higher chances of getting those rare stickers. Events are a gold mine for stickers, so participate actively and aim to complete the event objective. This not only gives you more stickers but also boosts your chances of finding the ones that you need. Next up, resource management. So your in-game currency and resources are precious, so you need to use them wisely. Invest in sticker packs that have higher chances of containing rare stickers. Avoid spending coins on unnecessary items. When you have a good amount of coins, you need to go for the bigger sticker pack. They might cost more, but the rewards are usually worth it. This will speed up your process significantly. Now let's talk about trading. So trading stickers with other players is a fantastic way to complete your album faster. For that you can join the online communities and forums where players are actively trading. Don't be shy to ask for trades and always offer fair deals in return. Here is a pro tip, always keep a list of the stickers that you need and the ones you can offer for trade. This makes the trading process smoother and more efficient. Lastly, don't forget about those bonus methods. There are hidden features and bonus methods within the game that can give you extra stickers. For example, daily logins, special quests, and in game achievements often reward you with stickers. So make sure you log in daily and complete any available quest. These bonuses might seem small, but they add up quickly and can be a game changer in completing your sticker album. And there you have it. Follow these tips and you will be completing your sticker album in no time. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Monopoly Go tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. Happy gaming.